Friends, you have to start with the new identity. Which one is the identity that you have to see? This identity is x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a multiplied by b or ab. This is the identity. You have to learn this identity and you have to write in the basic book also this identity. Then this identity is, again I will repeat, x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx, a plus b bracket multiplied by x plus ab. ab means a multiplied by b. Then how this identity will come, that question you have to ask to me. Then if you will ask that type of question, at that time I will solve this like this. This is the left hand side, this one is the right hand side. You have to take the left hand side and you have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then left hand side is equal to x plus a multiplied by x plus b. X plus, this is the left hand side, this one is the LHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. This is the right, if you will stand like this is the right hand, this one is the left hand. So you have to say that this side is left hand side, this one is the right hand side. First from the left hand side you have to prove the right hand side. If left hand side is equal to right hand side, at that time you have to say that this identity is like this. X plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a multiplied by b. Then here if you will take the LHS, this is the LHS side, this is the LHS side, and if you will solve this LHS you will get the RHS from the LHS. So you have to utilize the distributive law. In between the two bracket multiplication, this bracket multiplied by this bracket, at that time distribute this bracket in between this bracket. At that time you have to do distribute like this. You have to utilize the distributive law. X multiplied by x plus b and a multiplied by x plus b, same bracket. Means I will do the multiplication like this. X multiplied by x plus b, x multiplied by x plus b plus a multiplied by x plus b. Means distribute this bracket in between this bracket like this, x multiplied by x plus b plus a multiplied by x plus b. Again you have to distribute this x in between this bracket. At that time you have to distribute like this, x multiplied by x multiplied by b, then a multiplied by x and a multiplied by b, and you have to write like this, x multiplied by x here, x multiplied by b here, plus a multiplied by x here and a multiplied by b here. Then you have to do the product of this. X multiplied by x is equal to, you have to write x square, and a multiplied by b is equal to ab. Here you have to do the product, x multiplied by b and x multiplied by a. These are the like terms. So first of all I will write ax first, and after that I will write bx. So xb means bx and x means a multiplied by x. So these are the like terms. Why like terms? Because this x is common in between these two terms. So these terms are the like terms. You have to take out x common. If x is present in both the terms, at that time x multiplied by x you have to take out common. At that time what is remain? Then this a plus b is remain. So you have to, I will say that this is the common term. Whatever be the circle thing you have to take out outside the bracket. Whatever remain you have to write in the round bracket. At that time what is remain? A plus b remain, you have to write in the round bracket, plus a multiplied by b. Then you have to rearrange these terms properly. This x multiplied by a plus b is same as a plus b multiplied by x. So x square as it is you have to write. You have to write this as a plus b into x plus a into b as it is. So if you will observe, this is like the RHS, means this is the RHS. From LHS we proved the RHS. From, if the LHS is equal to RHS, at that time you have to say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. At that time you have to say that x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. This is the identity. We proved this identity. This question will not ask in the exam how you have to prove the identity, but for your better understanding, or if you have the doubt, that time we will prove the identity like this. By the diagram method, how you will prove this identity? By the identity by LHS and the RHS side, you will prove like this. By the diagram I will prove this identity, same identity, x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. I will prove like this. I draw this square. this one is the bigger square. So this side is x, this distance is x, this distance is a. At that time this side is x plus a, this side is x plus a. If this side is x, this side is also x. If this side is b, this side is b, and this side is x plus b, x plus b. Everybody understand? And if this one is b, this one is also b, this one is also b. If this one is x, this one is also x, this one is also x. If this one is x, this one is also x, this one is also x. Everybody understand? Then you have to divide this into the four part. This is the first part, this one is the second part, this one is the third part, and this one is the fourth part. Then what you have to do? This is the square, this is the rectangle, this is the rectangle, and this one is a, this one is also a, this one is also a. So if you will say that this one is the square, this one is the rectangle, this one is also the rectangle, this one is also rectangle. If you want to find the area of the square and the rectangle, what is the area of the square? Area of the square is equal to side into side. If you want to find out the area of the first part, at that time how you will find out the area of the first part? I will say that side into side, area is equal to, I will say that area is equal to x multiplied by x is equal to what you have to say, x square. If you want to find out the area of this part, second part, I will say that this is the length, this one is the breadth. At that time area is equal to, I will say that a multiplied by x is equal to what you have to say, x. If you want to find out the area of this part, at that time this is the length, this is the breadth. At that time area is equal to b into x is equal to bx. And if you want to find out the area of the fourth part, at that time this side is b, this side is a. Area is equal to product of the adjacent side, a multiplied by b is equal to ab. And if you want to find out the area of this rectangle, whole rectangle, because this side is x plus a, this side is x plus b, so I will say that area of, I will give the name, this one is a, b, c and d. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of first part plus area of second part plus area of third part plus area of fourth part. Area of ABCD is equal to adjacent side product. You have to say that x plus a multiplied by x plus b. These are the adjacent side. This multiplied by this means area of whole diagram will come. Then area of first part is, you have to say that x square plus area of second part is xa plus area of third part is xa xb plus area of fourth part is ab. You have to put the values. Then you have to say that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus, these are the like term, you have to take out this x common. If you will take out x common, at that time a plus b remain plus ab. You have to rearrange this properly. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx. If you will write x in between this multiplication side, if you will write x multiplied by a plus b or a plus b multiplied by x, no problem at all, plus ab. From that we will prove this identity as x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. In this way I proved this identity by both the method. Only you have to try to understand, you have to learn the formula. These things will not ask in the exam, but for the understanding I took all these things. So try to understand each and everything. Write all these things in the notebook properly. Thank you.